Hello and welcome to this slow English listening for beginners. Today's topic is my favorite sport. After the story, I will ask you some questions to check on your understanding. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just focus on the key information. Are you ready? Let's begin. I have been playing volleyball since I was a teenager, and it has always been a big part of my life. I first started playing volleyball at school. I was about 14 years old when I joined the school team. I remember my first game. I was nervous, but I loved the energy of the match. The excitement of the ball flying through the air and the sound of the players jumping and shouting. It felt amazing. After that, I played in every match I could, and I soon joined the local volleyball club in my town. At first, I didn't know much about the rules. I just wanted to hit the ball and have fun. But as I practiced more, I learned about the strategies of the game. Volleyball is not just about hitting the ball. It's about teamwork, communication, and quick thinking. You have to know where your teammates are, when to pass the ball, and how to move quickly on the court. When I was in my 20s, I played in a local volleyball league. It was very competitive, but I enjoyed every moment of it. We practice 3 or 4 times a week. And every Sunday, we played a match. I played as a setter. My job was to pass the ball to the players who would then try to score a point by hitting the ball over the net. It was a lot of pressure, but I loved the challenge. I loved the feeling of helping my teammates and making good passes that led to a point. Sometimes we won, sometimes we lost, but every match was a lesson. In my 30s, I didn't have much time to play because I was working full-time as a nurse, but I didn't want to stop playing volleyball, so I started playing with my friends. Every Thursday evening, we met at the local gym to play. It's not as competitive as before, but it's still fun. We play for about an hour, sometimes longer. And after the game, we often go for dinner together. It's a great way to stay active and relax with friends. Volleyball has taught me many important things. First, it has taught me about teamwork. In volleyball, you cannot win alone. You need your teammates to help you. Each player has a role, and the team must work together. This is something I try to remember every day in my life, whether I am at work or at home. Teamwork is important in every situation. Another thing volleyball has taught me is how to deal with challenges. Sometimes we lose matches and it's difficult, but I've learned that losing is part of the game. You don't always win, but you can always learn from your mistakes. When we lose, we talk about what went wrong and what we can do better next time. It's a good lesson in life. Never give up and always try to improve. I also love watching volleyball on TV. When Italy plays in international competitions, I always watch the game. I cheer for the team and feel proud when they win. The Italian national team is very strong, and I love to see how they play together as a team. Their teamwork is incredible, and it reminds me of the same feeling I get when I play with my friends. In the future, I would like to help young people learn how to play volleyball. I would love to coach a team. I think it would be amazing to teach children the basics of the sport and help them develop their skills. Volleyball has given me so much: exercise, fun, and friendship. And I want to give something back by helping the next generation enjoy the sport too. I also hope that volleyball will continue to be part of my life. I don't think I will ever stop playing. Maybe when I'm older, I will play in a slower, more relaxed way, but I will always love this game. It's not just a sport for me. It's a way of life. Volleyball keeps me fit, keeps me connected to my friends, and brings me joy. It's more than just hitting a ball over a net. It's about people, the fun, and the energy. In my town, there are a lot of people who love volleyball, and every year we organize a small volleyball tournament. It's a great way to bring the community together and show how much we love the sport. I always participate in this tournament, and it's one of the highlights of my year. Even if my team doesn't win, I still have a wonderful time. So, this is why volleyball is my favorite sport. It has been part of my life for many years, and it will continue to be part of my future. I believe everyone should try playing volleyball. It's a fantastic sport and it can teach you many valuable lessons about life, teamwork, and perseverance. Now, let's check on your understanding. Answer these questions. How long have I been playing volleyball? I have been playing volleyball since I was a teenager. What position did I play when I was in a volleyball league? I played as a setter. What is the most important lesson that volleyball has taught me? Volleyball has taught me teamwork. What do I do after playing volleyball with my friends? After playing, my friends and I often go out for dinner together. What do I hope to do in the future regarding volleyball? I hope to coach a volleyball team and teach young people. What do I like about watching volleyball on TV? I like watching the Italian national volleyball team and feel proud when they win. If you have answered correctly to all the questions, you have done a very good job. Keep working and see you next time. Bye-bye.